We complete our discussion of facility layout with an investigation into maintenance workshops. We first visit the three broad types of maintenance workshops. We list three types of maintenance workshops: field workshops, general services workshops, and specialized services workshops. Before going into design principles, etc., we will look in more detail at these three types. The field workshop is the workshop where the most basic maintenance is performed. Much of the work done involves handling breakdowns. Referring to Blanchard's figure 1.3, we are talking here of organizational maintenance. Facilities are quite basic. They involve workbenches, artisan toolboxes, offices for the supervisor and planner, a tool store, and personnel facilities. Equipment typically includes a lifting beam, a drill press, strong arm saw, welding machine, cutting torch, compressor, and spray painting equipment. Here we have an example of an in-plant workshop that we designed for Swakop Uranium during a full logistical design of their plant maintenance. And here we have an example of a workshop design that we did for the Beers' Venetia diamond mine at Musina. General services workshops are workshops where general but somewhat specialized work is performed. The work done normally involves work being done on order for the one or other specialized services workshop or field workshop. Referring to Blanchard's figure 1.3, we are talking here of intermediate maintenance. Such workshops include general electrical workshops, general mechanical workshops, general civil workshops, general carpenter workshops, and automotive workshops. The facilities included in such workshops vary, but include offices, tool store, test room or other specialized facilities needed, personnel facilities, things like lunchroom, cloakroom, washing facilities, and toilets. Such workshops typically need semi-specialized equipment. These include a crane and other handling facilities, tools, and other specific equipment. Here we have an example of the general electrical workshop that we designed for the Beers Venetia. And here we have a 7,000 square meters central workshop complex that we designed for Swakop Uranium. Specialized services workshops are, as their name indicates, the most sophisticated of the three workshop types. Referring to Blanchard's figure 1.3, we are talking here of depot maintenance. Specialized service workshops again differs much in variety. Examples are machine workshops, rotating workshops, machine workshops, electronic workshops, servicing workshops, manufacturing workshops in a fair variety like boiler making workshops, machining workshops, and so on. These workshops have quite a diverse range of facilities. These include offices, tool store, personnel facilities, and so on. Regarding equipment use, the range is very wide. An example instrumentation workshop that we designed for De Beers Venetia. And an example fabrication workshop also designed for De Beers Venetia. Also the mechanical workshop designed for De Beers Venetia. Next, we investigate workshop organization in more detail. What should be included in workshop layout design? Here we have a fairly complete checklist. We start with the design of the work areas. Workshops typically need workshop input and output areas. That is where work is received and dispatched. Tool store, sub-store, work in process store, and cleaning areas. Tools and equipment. One needs to give attention to things such as the general adequacy of the tools and equipment specified, artisan tool lists, material handling facilities, machining facilities, and welding facilities. Equipment servicing facilities such as test equipment, handling equipment, inspection and condition monitoring equipment, access facilities, lubrication equipment. Testing facilities, workbenches, and toolboxes. In terms of services, you should include adequate levels of electricity, water, steam, and compressed air. In terms of office facilities, you should include things such as the general adequacy of office facilities, filing facilities, computer facilities, and printing facilities. In terms of personnel facilities, one should include toilets, worker dining facilities, and change room facilities. In terms of the work environment, one should look at things such as lighting and heating and cooling, and so on. Next, we explore some layout design principles. The flow of things such as work material information is a big issue in maintenance logistics and layout. The application of the generic layout principles to maintenance brings about that one has to give attention to minimizing handling cost, giving attention to optimal space utilization and labor utilization. Promoting communication and interaction between maintenance workers and other maintenance workers and their supervisors and production personnel. Reducing maintenance service or reaction times. Eliminating wasted or redundant movement. Facilitating the entry, exit, and placement of material, products, and people. This then concludes our short discussion of maintenance workshop layout design. This then ends session 4D on maintenance workshops.